Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving with the topic how you can create your data science portfolio for the preparation of interview, or even you are still studying, so how you can start building your job portfolio. Okay, so this is the topic apart from our machine learning journey, as I used to upload the machine learning like the topics on daily basis and other topics too. But this is I wanted to make a video on this because this is the most important part for your AI journey. Here I would like to share one more thing. Whether you are a student, right, you are studying in the college, either you are in a first year, you are in the second semester, third semester, or in the you are close to final year, this video is perfect for everyone. The reason is, students when they are doing any degree, they just reach at a college level and sometime they decide I want to become a data scientist, I want to become data analyst, machine learning engineer, or they maybe want to like join the company in some other role too, right? So if you are going to you are watching this video, or either you are a professional, you are watching this video, start building your profile from today. Don't wait for the final year. Otherwise, you will waste your another 6 months or 1 year to build the portfolio, and then you will start preparing the interview. It will again take your so much time. And at that time, students mostly get frustrated actually, because they have already, they are just recently pass out, right? They want to do the job somewhere quickly, right? The reason is they don't, they have a strong academic skills, they have a great marks, right? But they are not able to communicate their skills properly. Second thing, if you start building your profile from today, right? So what is the biggest advantage? Even you, number one, you have a lot of time, right? If you are in the first semester, you have a lot of time. If you are in the final year and you are left with the 6 months, still you have enough time. Okay. The reason is, whenever you are going to show your skills, your GitHub portfolio to any interviewer or somewhere you want to join, they will see your consistency level actually. If you are uploading like the from the first year of the college, right, upload will start building your portfolio, and you are even uploading the 4 projects in a year, right, in a 1 year. Every year, just assume if your degree is of a 3 years or 4 years, how many projects you will able to upload? 12, right? So this is the biggest advantage, and it show your consistency, it show your skills, it show your like the dedication, your passion towards the AI. And it will also help you because help you to not just stop wasting time once you completed your degree, right? Because you already have the strong portfolio, you are ready to apply with the resume. Maybe you are thinking what kind of projects I will upload. If I am doing the degree, I'm not in the AI degree, but I have planned, like I'm in the final year, but I have some plans to transit my career into AI. Sometimes this happen. Or maybe you are working as an employee in marketing, in real estate, in healthcare, or in some other department, XYZ, and you are thinking to transit into AI. If you are watching this video, then start uploading the project, to do small project and upload on the GitHub. And the college students, university students, you can upload the projects which you are doing in the university, because those are your projects. Even it's a most basic one, don't afraid of that one. The thing matter is your dedication, your consistency. Consistency is the most important key part of your AI journey, because interviewer will see your consistency level, and they will definitely like your portfolio. And later on, once you have a good knowledge, then you can pick up the data set from outside your academic curriculum too. Okay, so stay with me till the end of the video. Keep learning, keep watching, keep patience with science, data science. Let me open, sorry, let me share my screen. So this portfolio I have built specially for my dear friends or data science enthusiasts, for you to show you, so you can start building your portfolio from today. Okay, I want you to be expert in AI in any like the any way, like academic wise, your soft skill wise, and you should be very good to explain in a non-technical way to the AI to the other persons too. I have a question for you. If your siblings, brother, sister, maybe your parents and your friends have they know about AI, but they don't know what is AI, like the definition. So how would you explain them in a non-technical way? Just drop a comment in the comment box. Okay, I would love your comments. If you are going to drop, how you are going to like explain what is AI in non-technical way. Okay, so academic skill is a mandatory skill actually, but soft skill is a part of your AI. Combination for both is the key to success in AI actually. Okay, so now look at this. If you already have the GitHub profile, that is great. If you don't have, you can sign up. This is free to use. Okay, I have built the like the directory main repository name with the AI portfolio guided project. Okay, in case you want to upload, you are a student and you are preparing it for the your job interviews, then you can say AI portfolio project. You don't need to guided thing. This is for me actually, I wanted to show you. Okay, so make a repository with this name. Okay, and then you can do here one more thing I will tell you. So now this is your repository name, okay? So you can write down the repository name according to your project name. Let's say you want to like divide your projects into three parts. First is your Python projects, just make a repository for Python projects, okay? And then you can make a one repository for your machine learning projects. And third, you can make a repository for NLP project, and fourth, if you are doing some using automation tools, something like that. I'm just giving you the example. If you want to learn in a detail about the data structure, you can watch my playlist data science portfolio projects. Okay, here I have made the very detailed video about each and everything. Okay, and now here these are my like the folders inside this repository. Okay, and this is the my landing page. Okay, so this is a repository I have made. When I will go inside it, okay, and one more important thing, I wanted to tell you one more important thing. Let me go back. Okay, look at this. So here just upload your professional pic. Don't upload your any casual pic here. It doesn't look nice. Okay, it should be professional. Okay, and then write down your name professional, and keep your GitHub profile name also professional. Okay, and then just you can set up any line for you, and then your address. If you don't want to add the address, it's okay, you can add the country name, city name, right? And this is your, if you have any social media channel which is knowledgeable, not your Facebook one, okay, where you are sharing your knowledge. These all points also give a very good impression on the interviewer. Okay, and start maintaining it from today. Believe me, you will never regret. It will pay you in a very good terms in future. Okay, and then just click here. I have made, you can make a directories like this as well if you want to make a one repository. This is a classification, this is cross validation. I have made a one folder for the images because I want to upload several images. Don't directly upload anything in at here. It look messy. Okay, for example, if you are going to click on my GitHub profile, if you are going to click on my any portfolio, what do you expect from me? You will expect Nisha will have the very organized portfolio. She must have these projects, and she must have the like this. You are assuming like that, right? Same, just keep yourself in your in my shoe too. Okay, so if I am the interviewer, right, and you are the candidate, how would I think? Just think with the point of view interviewer. So he is also expecting this kind of the portfolio. They are not looking for messy portfolio. They will cross it, even you have a 90% academic record. Okay, because they want some people who are very organized too, along with their academic scores. Okay, this is important. And then Here on the landing page of this one, I have made my README file like this. Look at this. So I have added the page like this. If you want, you can make your professional picture here, the big one, and just write down your name. And you can also name it data science enthusiast. And you can like set up any line. This is your choice, but it should look professional. It looks very good. There is a no harm to upload your professional picture here. Okay. And then I have given the heading of my company. You can give the heading of with your name. And instead of AI training, you can say data science enthusiast. And just write about yourself. If you are at a beginner level, it's don't worry. Just write about you have done the grade 12 in this and you are pursuing this degree. And I have a passion. I have a goal to become this one. So I am doing this projects. So please review my portfolio, something like that. Okay. And then here you can also give the links to your social media where you are sharing your knowledge, not any other link. Okay, I'm not talking about your personal social media links. I'm talking about the professional. Maybe you are writing the blog. If you are writing, this is awesome. Okay, so these are the links I have given from my website. If you want to visit my website, it is there. You will find my all programs there. Okay, what certifications we provide. And this is about us. Okay, you have already written here, so you don't need this section. And then you can write down here something about yourself, your hobbies, right? What extracurriculum activities you does or you do, sorry, you do, right? Maybe you have some special certification, you're grading, right? Like the marks, right? So you can upload the certificate here, not your the original one. I'm not talking about your degree or the your mark sheet. I'm talking about some certification which you have done. Let's say you have done some free courses or paid courses of 1 month, 15 days, something like that. If you have something very innovative, you have some goal, you want to build, let's say you want to build the automatic classroom, right? Then you can mention about it here as your goal. Okay, so it look very professional. It shows your like a level how you are thinking and what you are going to do in future. Okay, and start working on that project. Okay, so this should look professional. This is a landing page. Okay, so here you should always write down your contact information. This is important. Some students don't share about their contact information, which is the negative point for your GitHub portfolio. Let's say you are close to final year. Some companies are looking for the candidates. You upload somewhere resume and you have given the GitHub link, right? They might want to contact you. From where they will contact you, right? Or might be you are saying we will share the like the link your email, right? When you are applying the resume, this is true, but they will click on your GitHub link. They are also expecting your contact information here. Maybe they want to cross verify. Maybe they are looking for something else. So it build the confidence actually. If you don't want to share the phone number, that is okay, share your email. But email should also be professional. In college days, we used to make a like the emails something like funny words, right? Don't do that. Make a one professional email which should be your consistent and you are going to use it for your when you are going to apply the jobs. Okay. So this is important. Now we will go back to over this directory. So I am going to open this directory now. Okay, so inside this classification project, I did not upload the direct my project file because tomorrow I have a 10 projects. So every project should have their online directory. Okay, please take care about this directory structure. This is very important. Click on that. I have made the different directory for dataset, for the images, and then this is my main file. Okay, if you have divided your work in a 3 parts like I have made the video or series of this one. First one was the data analysis, then model building, then evaluation. You can also upload the your notebook to in a 3 parts. There is a no harm. The condition is it should be organized. It should not look messy. You should rename it with that one customer underscore churn underscore data analysis, and then customer underscore churn underscore model building, and then evaluation zone. Okay, And then this is the, here I have uploaded the data set. You also need to upload like this way. And here I am uploading the all images which I am using in my README file. Okay. Now we will come back. This is the main part of your GitHub profile actually. If I am the interviewer, what I will see? I am impressed with your directory structure. Now this is fine. Now I am interested looking into what you have done in this project. So this is the first thing in come in the interviewer mind. They will always look for README actually first. And student does not maintain this. They think the interviewer will come here, they will click on this notebook and done. They don't have that much time actually. They will see, definitely maybe they will see your notebook, but they see will like how organized you are and what method and strategies you have used. Okay, because if they are going to run it, this is a different scenario. But if they are looking themselves, right, then they will first look here, because readme is the thing to communicate your skills to the interviewer, to your friends, to whom you are showing your project. Here, first I have uploaded the picture. This is also good, give a good impression. You can create these pictures using Canva. This is very easy. Okay. And then customer churn prediction. Here I did not mention the goal directly. I'm talking about simple definition. What is customer churn prediction project? Okay, start with it. And then mention about the data dictionary. This is the most important part. Student just mention this contain this much records and columns. That's it. They don't mention anything about the data dictionary. What columns and what does it mean? Don't do that. Declare it. Okay, like this. Okay, and then always share the data source link. Okay, from where did you download the data set? If some of one of your friend want to do the same project, then he will get this link, he will be happy, he will be, maybe he will share with the other three friends, right? And then problem statement, this is your problem statement and goal. Now we will write the problem identity, problem statement and goal. Okay, mention it in a small, precise, simple, clear. That's it. You don't need to write too much detail. Don't do that, there is no use. Okay, strategy to solve. Now this is the same thing, right? So interviewer is expecting, now you understood the goal, you know what strategy you will follow now to solve this problem. So this will be his second thought. Okay, now you can mention this, and I have, you can see here, I have first mentioned the heading, and then I am mentioning what I have done inside it. I did not write a too much description, only one line. You also need to do the same thing. That's it. Okay, and then how to run, I am telling them, but this is optional. If you want, you can. But the most important other thing is, if your project has some kind of dependency to run, you should mention, that is mandatory. Like if they want to run your project on the Linux, on the Mac system, you should tell them if there is any dependency. Okay, and then insights from data analysis, this is the most important part. This is showing your capability, what you have done during the data analysis. This is the just theory we are writing, but strategy we are going to follow. This show your skills now. Okay, I have taken the screenshot from my data analysis notebook. So I am telling I have done the univariate analysis, I have done the bivariate analysis, and then I'm mentioning this. I have added this just to showcase you. You can, if you have done the multivariate analysis, you should also add the screenshot of that too. Okay, and mention in a 1 or 2 line what you are doing in this graph. Don't leave the graph as it is. Don't assume yourself like interviewer will be technical, they will understand. No. Whenever you are building your data science portfolio project or either any data portfolio project for the job, just think the person who is going to take your interview, they don't know anything. Don't think yourself, they know each and everything. That's why sometimes even when you are answering the question, you restrict yourself. You assume yourself they know. I have tell them, maybe they they know further. I don't need to say anything, right? And maybe you are thinking, if I'm using this technical word, they will understood. No. Okay. So might be, but your duty is to give the example. Okay. And then this is a model performance. Which model you have used? Maybe you have used 2 models, then you can make a table here show the comparison, and then write the accuracy, precision, recall, rock, because this is a classification problem, right? So I did not add it here, but you can add it here too. When you are mentioning here problem statement or goal, click enter, and I'm just mentioning that classifies the customers. But you can specially mention here type of a project classification. Okay, although they are coming in the classification directive, but I'm telling you the one more point. Okay, and then here, when they will look on these, okay, when they will look on this, they will understand you have a this much knowledge. You know the different classification matrices, which is very important for them. Maybe they are looking for the person who should be expert in classification. This is going to give a very good impression. Okay, mention all matrices, but mention only which you have applied. My recommendation is always apply all matrices on all projects. That's it. You never know which one is going to work. Okay, and then confusion matrix, I'm showing the model output here with the help of confusion matrix. And what is important here, I'm mentioning here true, positive, true, negative. What is important according to your project, just mention it here under the performance insight. Okay, so here we are mentioning and business takeaway. Here you can mention how you are going to explain to the stakeholder. This is showing your this skill here. So these are the small points, fundamental points, but if interviewer is looking at carefully your notebook, they will be very happy. And you need to do this thing for your every project. And now you can think about it. If you are going to build the 10 projects for your data science portfolio, you can't do it in a one day. If you start doing work from today, even you are in the first semester, you will be able to build your very like the impressive portfolio. You can think about it because you have a lot of time still. Okay, and then technologies used, you can use these technologies. You need to mention what tools, what methods you have used. Okay, and then future enhancement. This is mostly students miss this part actually. I'm telling you from my experience. I have seen many readme notebooks. Okay, so why you should mention it here? Because it show your plan B. This means you are very good in making decision making. This is the important part of your AI. You know, if this model is didn't work properly, what we were expecting, then your plan is to apply this model. So interviewer will be very impressed by looking at these things. Instead of future enhancement, you can also mention the recommendation. Okay, and then don't forget to mention your contact information. Never ever share your personal social media link, just share your professional link. Okay, and this is the about this one. Now I will tell you how you can make it. Just click here. If you want to give the heading, you need to use a this hash. If you use a single hash, it will make more bigger, h1, h2, h3. You can just make changes. And if you want to make a bold, then you can use this one. Okay, double star. And this is the way how you can add the link, okay, of the image. My this directory is public, right? If you want to fork, you can, and you can make the copy of this one and make a changes according to your project. Okay, that's why I built this video. Okay, this is for you. You can use this. And my dear friends, just start making your portfolio from today. Okay, believe me, this is very important. Again, I am saying you here. Okay, first I will tell you again one thing. If you have any other projects, regression project, NLP projects, you should make a different directories. Okay, I don't have any regression project yet uploaded because I used to maintain my data on my Google Drive actually. Okay, so soon I will upload all projects what I have done, okay, or which I'm using in the YouTube videos and share with all of you. Okay, so again, my recommendation to all of my students or dear data science enthusiast, either you are a professional, you are thinking to transit into AI. So this is the best way. This is the best time. Don't wait for the till the end. Once you will complete boot camp, once you will complete the degree, then only you will do these things. It will waste your again time. Don't do that. Okay, so follow me, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. If you like it, hit the like button. And if you give me the feedback, like what do you like the most in this video, right? And if you want me some do improvements, I'm happy to take your feedback, because it helped me to like make a more videos according to what you want to learn. Okay, this is I want. So please share your feedback too, and don't forget to tell me in the comment box how would you explain the what is AI in non-technical way. Okay, and thank you so much. I will see you in the next video or session. Good luck, happy AI learning,